Hello everyone, here is HANBS, a Swiss lathe manufacturer. I'm Sonia. Today I'd like to talk about the thermal composition of the Swiss lathe. Thermal composition is to prevent the emissions in production, the spindle, tool, gate sleeve, workpieces, and other parts in the positions of the product. Due to cutting friction, spindle high-speed rotation, and ambient temperature rise and expansion, machine tool component will change due to the temperature change, resulting in the deviations of assembly tolerance. Therefore, the Swiss lathe is covered with temperature sensors to monitor the heat generated by the high-speed rotation. Thus, the cold and heat composition is realized through the system control. Thank you for watching. If you enjoy our video, don't forget to like and subscribe.